What up YouTube? So currently I'm just walking to the Toa Payoh Active XG gym. It's around almost 11 p.m. So yeah, I only have like 1 hour. The slot is just for 1 hour, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I don't know if I can finish in 1 hour. Let's see how many people are in the gym and stuff like that. So yeah, this is my first time coming at this hour. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So it is now 12:23 and nobody's leaving the gym yet. We were supposed to leave at 12, but everything's still going on.
left center, move forward 2.5. Jaya papaya.
Okay, time to go. Alright guys, so that was a proper gym session after a long time. So I actually thought that I was only getting 1 hour, and I was like, okay, I still have to stretch, warm up and stuff. I was thinking this might not be the plan in the future, but apparently they give you until 12:30, only 12:30, then they start to chase you out, like kick you out of the gym. So around one and a half hour, I think that's good enough. Okay, my hand might be shaking a little bit. Woo! Yeah, feeling good, man, feeling good. That was pretty good. So I managed to do full shoulder and back workout and a little bit of bicep, and I was going to warm up. I was warming up my squats before they chase everyone out. So yeah, managed to do only one set of squat, and that was actually a warm-up set, so doesn't really count. But okay, there's one thing that I noticed is that okay when I thought about like giving slots, like when they give us slots like 8 to 10, like 6 to 8 p.m, I really thought that it was to cut down people. Apparently there are like a lot of people, like literally a lot. Like I counted them literally, and it's like 38 people. So yeah, we are still sharing like one machine, 3-person sharing. So I wasn't really able to record much of it because yeah, I don't think any other people want them to be recorded on the camera. So yeah, so I just have to keep my camera away. Only when I'm not sharing with anybody, only then I can record. So yeah, it's a little bit strange. 35 people is packed everywhere. So apart from the running, like cycling, all this shit, everything else is full, man. Anyway guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. So that's my gym experience during COVID. Yeah, I might stick to this because it's really cheap. It's like $2.50 per entry, so that's really cheap. But yeah, you're sharing with a lot of people, so maybe I'm not sure whether I will stick to this or go to a private gym. We'll see how. Yeah, I think that's about it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye guys.